Question number 1. Which country is home to the historical site of Machu Picchu? The correct answer is option C, Peru. Question number 2. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? The correct answer is option B, Brazil. Question number 3. Which gas makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is option D, nitrogen. Question number 4. Which is the longest mountain range in the world? The correct answer is option B, Andes. Question number 5. Which planet has the most moons? The correct answer is option D, Saturn. Question number 6. Which Mughal emperor introduced the Mansabdari system? The correct answer is option C, Akbar. Question number 7. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? The correct answer is option A, Ular Lake. Question number 8. Which Indian festival marks the harvest season in Punjab? The correct answer is option A, Baisakhi. Question number 9. Which Indian state is known for the Sun Temple at Konark? The correct answer is option B, Odisha. Question number 10. Which metal is most abundant in the Earth's crust? The correct answer is option A, aluminium. Question number 11. What is the name of India's first satellite? The correct answer is option D, Aryabhatta. Question number 12. Which Nobel Prize category was Rabindranath Tagore awarded in? The correct answer is option B, literature. Question number 13. What is the primary source of energy in the ecosystem? The correct answer is option A, sunlight. Question number 14. Which Indian state has the maximum number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? The correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Question number 15. Which hormone regulates sugar in the blood? The correct answer is option B, insulin. Question number 16. Which Indian festival is associated with kites? The correct answer is option A, Makar Sankranti. Question number 17. Which country has the world's largest postal network? The correct answer is option C, India. Question number 18. What is the chemical formula for common salt? The correct answer is option B, NaCl. Question number 19. Which scientist proposed the 3 laws of motion? The correct answer is option B, Isaac Newton. Question number 20. Which mountain pass connects Srinagar to Leh? The correct answer is option D, Zojila Pass. Question number 21. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India as of 2025? The correct answer is option D, Ganesh Kumar. Question number 22. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? The correct answer is option A, sphygmomanometer. Question number 23. Which Indian monument is a symbol of eternal love? The correct answer is option B, Taj Mahal. Question number 24. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? The correct answer is option D, vitamin C. Question number 25. Which Indian state celebrates Hornbill Festival? The correct answer is option A, Nagaland. Question number 26. Which country shares the longest border with India? The correct answer is option A, Bangladesh. Question number 27. Which Indian state is the largest producer of cotton? The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 28. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? The correct answer is option D, Tessie Thomas. Question number 29. Which city is the headquarters of RBI, Reserve Bank of India? The correct answer is option B, Mumbai. Question number 30. Which place is known as the Scotland of the East? The correct answer is option A, Shillong.